Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, legislature. In last chapter, we have discussed about the executive, the different kinds of executive, their functions and their powers. And in this chapter, we will discuss about the legislature. It means we will discuss about the parliament system of the government. So first of all, we have taken the parliamentary system of government from Britain, and what is the composition of parliament? The composition of parliament is Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and president. And in this chapter, we will discuss the various functions of the legislature, various powers of the legislature. We will discuss in detail. So first of all, legislature, the law-making body of the government, or we can say parliament, the law making body of the government. This is not only function of the parliament, but this is one of the main function of the parliament who make law for the country. And success of democracy depends upon the efficiency and effectiveness of the representative legislature, and success of every democracy depends on the legislature. So Parliament is the national legislature of India, as we have discussed that we have two houses of Parliament in our country, and we have taken this system from the Britain. Indian Parliament is a bicameral legislature. Bicameral legislature here means that we have two houses of Parliament in our country. One is the upper house, one is the lower house. Upper house is known as the Rajya Sabha and lower house is known as the Lok Sabha. And we will also discuss in detail about the various power and function of these two houses in this chapter. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are the two houses of Indian Parliament. Reasons for selecting a bicameral legislature. Now, as we have discussed that we have a bicameral legislature. Bicameral legislature here means that we have two houses of our parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, reason for selecting this: large size of the country, because our country is very large and we have various diversity in our country. Very large diversity in our country. So to give representation to all the people of the country and to give representation to all the part of the country and all the sections of the country, we have adopted the two houses of the parliament, or we can say that we have adopted the bicameral legislature to hold the diversity. Bicameral legislature ensure more representation. Yes, because we have two houses of the parliament. If we have two houses of the parliament, it means more representation. Means to give representation to every part of the country, every society of the country, and every section of the country. So it become important to have two houses of the parliament. Possibility for reconsideration of every issue in the bicameral legislature. This is important. Like if we have only one house in the parliament, so it is quite possible that कि एक house जो भी decision लेगा to recheck the decision of one house, to recheck the decision taken by one house, we have another house in our parliament. हमारे पास दूसरा house भी है parliament में, जो कि एक house ने जो decision लिए हैं उनको reconsideration करने के लिए, recheck करने के लिए, और we can say that we have a double check system in our parliament. और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हमारी parliament में क्या है, double check system है, because a bill passed by one house move to the another house. एक house में जब एक बिल पास हो जाता है तो वो दूसरे हाउस में जाता है रिकंसिडरेशन के लिए. एंड इफ द सेकंड हाउस फाइंड सम डिफिकल्टीज इन द बिल, और उनको लगता है कि बिल में कुछ they want some changes in the bill, then they can recommend some changes in the bill to the first house. So we can say that we have a double check system in our country, possibility for reconsideration of every issue in bicameral legislature. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. But prior to that, I want to tell you that at state level, because we also have federal system of government, we have two government. One is the central government or union government, and we have different state governments. And here we are talking about the union government, and we are talking about the parliament. In our parliament, we have two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, as we have discussed. But at the state legislative assemblies, it is optional to have a unicameral or bicameral legislature. But today in our country, 6 states are there. 6 states are there who have bicameral legislature. And this is your homework, students. Today you have to find out these 6 states of our country which have bicameral legislature. Means जहाँ विधानसभा में 2 हाउस हैं, विधानसभा और विधान परिषद, जैसे हमारी पार्लियामेंट के 2 हाउस हैं, राज्यसभा और लोकसभा, ऐसे ही हमारी कंट्री में 6 ऐसे स्टेट्स हैं जिनमें कि 2 हाउसेज हैं, विधानसभा और विधान परिषद. सो इट इज योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दीज 6 districts and make a list of these 6 states. Sorry. So Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, here we will make some comparison between the 2 houses. So Rajya Sabha, Council of States, it is also known as the Council of States. In English we can say the name of Rajya Sabha is Council of States because it represents the states. On the other hand, House of People, if we talk about Rajya Sabha is House of People. Rajya Sabha is House of People. So Upper House, Rajya Sabha is known as the Upper House and Lok Sabha is known as the Lower House. Then represents the states. So Rajya Sabha represents the state and represents the people of country. Lok Sabha represents the people of country. In the last chapter we have discussed in our election chapter, election and representative chapter, dear student, we have discussed the method of election of member of Rajya Sabha in detail. Like in Haryana we have 5 seats for Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha के लिए अगर हम हरियाणा में बात करें तो how many seats we have? 5 seats we have. और लोक सभा की अगर हम बात करें तो 10. And we have discussed all these concepts in our previous chapter, elections and representation. And if we talk about parliament, then we have 15 seats from Haryana. Means Haryana sent 15 representative to the legislature from Haryana. So 5 are being elected by the MLAs and 10 are directly elected by the people. That's why Rajya Sabha is known as it represents the states and it represents the people. Maximum strength is 250. So the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250, but the current strength is 245. If we talk about the current strength, we have 245 is the current strength and maximum strength is 545. और लोकसभा की बात करें तो कितनी मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ है? 545 इज द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ. Indirectly elected by MLAs. So the member of Rajya Sabha, as we have discussed, the procedure of election of member of Rajya Sabha in our last chapter, election and representatives, that जो राज्यसभा के जो मेंबर्स उनको कैसे इलेक्ट किया जाता है, दे आर बीइंग इलेक्टेड बाय द MLAs. लाइक हरियाणा में 5 जो राज्यसभा के मेंबर जो वहाँ पार्लियामेंट में जाने उनको कौन इलेक्ट करता है? MLAs इलेक्ट करते हैं. जो 90 MLAs हमारी स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में हैं. हाउ मेनी MLAs वी हैव इन आवर स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली? वी हैव 90 MLAs in our state legislative assembly. So these 90 MLAs elect these 5 members of Rajya Sabha. That's why they are known as the indirectly elected by the MLAs. But on the other side, if we talk about the Lok Sabha, directly elected by the people. Like we have 10 seats of Lok Sabha in Haryana. We have discussed earlier also that we have 10 seats of Lok Sabha, and these 10 members of parliament or member of Lok Sabha, or you can say that member of parliament, they are directly elected by the people of Haryana. Like in Haryana we have 10 constituencies. The entire Haryana is divided into 10 Lok Sabha constituencies. Like your own district Hisar is also a constituency. So जो मेंबर हैं लोकसभा के वो डायरेक्टली जो है इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और उनको डायरेक्टली जो है कौन पीपल जो है उनको इलेक्ट करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी. मींस ऑल द मेंबर अबव 18 ईयर ऑफ एज, और वी कैन से द एलिजिबल वोटर्स जो है वो वोट डालते हैं इन 10 मेंबर्स के लिए. Then Rajya Sabha elected for a term of 6 years. So the term of the Rajya Sabha, the member of the term of the member of Rajya Sabha, not Rajya Sabha, because Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. राज्यसभा कभी भी डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है, हम उसको भी डिस्कस करेंगे. सो इलेक्टेड फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ 6 years, द मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा इलेक्टेड फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ 6 years, elected for a term of 5 years, and the tenure of Lok Sabha is 5 years. On the other hand, this is known as the permanent house. Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house. This is very important. How we can say that Rajya Sabha is a permanent house? Because Rajya Sabha जो है कभी भी डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है. आफ्टर एवरी 2 year 1/3 मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा, हर 2 साल के बाद 1/3 मेंबर जो है राज्यसभा के वो रिटायर हो जाते हैं और उनकी जगह पे नए मेंबर जो है इलेक्ट होकर आ जाते हैं. लाइक हरियाणा में 5 हैं, ठीक है ना. अभी सपोज करो नेक्स्ट ईयर जो है इन 5 में से 2 जो है वो जो है रिटायर होने वाले हैं, बिकॉज उनकी 6 years की टर्म्स जो है वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगी नेक्स्ट ईयर, तो वो दोनों रिटायर हो जाएंगे और उन 2 की जगह वी विल इलेक्ट 2 न्यू कैंडिडेट्स टू द राज्यसभा. हरियाणा विल इलेक्ट 2 न्यू कैंडिडेट टू द राज्यसभा. सो इट इज परमानेंट हाउस, कभी भी डिसॉल्व नहीं होता है. इवन इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ लोकसभा, मीन्स अगर लोकसभा पावर में नहीं है, सपोज करो लोकसभा डिसॉल्व हो गई है, तो इन दैट केस राज्यसभा इज देयर टू डिस्कस द इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर ऑफ नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. जो हमारे इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर है नेशनल इंटरेस्ट के, उनको डिस्कस करने के लिए वी हैव राज्यसभा. लोकसभा नॉन परमानेंट हाउस. लोकसभा इज नॉन परमानेंट हाउस. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट चैप्टर ओनली इन द एग्जीक्यूटिव that Lok Sabha depends on the majority. Lok Sabha किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? मेजॉरिटी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. If a political party is having majority in Lok Sabha, then they are enjoying the power in Lok Sabha. If they lose the majority, the entire cabinet has to resign, because we have discussed they all swim and shrink together. तो लोकसभा जो है क्या है? नॉन परमानेंट हाउस है. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द टेम्परेरी हाउस. बट ऑन द अदर साइड राज्यसभा इज द परमानेंट हाउस विच नेवर बी डिसॉल्व्ड. एंड वी टॉक अबाउट द नॉमिनेटेड मेंबर्स. Rajya Sabha has 12 nominated members. These 12 members are nominated by the President of India from different fields: art, literature, and cinema और स्पोर्ट्स. मतलब 12 डिफरेंट फील्ड से जो पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं उनको जो है प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो नॉमिनेट करते हैं राज्यसभा में. लाइक आपने देखा हुआ सचिन तेंदुलकर वाज आल्सो द मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा. सचिन तेंदुलकर भी मेंबर थे राज्यसभा के, नॉमिनेटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. रेखा जो कि हमारी बॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेस हैं बहुत पुरानी, वो भी राज्यसभा के मेंबर रहे हैं. जया भादुड़ी द वाइफ ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन इज द प्रेजेंट मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा, वो भी राज्यसभा की मेंबर हैं. सो ऐसे डिफरेंट जो हमारे फील्ड्स हैं वहाँ से प्रेसिडेंट जो है नॉमिनेट करते हैं 12 मेंबर्स को टू राज्यसभा. इन लोकसभा ऑल्सो प्रेसिडेंट नॉमिनेटेड 2 मेंबर्स फ्रॉम द एंग्लो इंडियन कम्युनिटी. एंग्लो इंडियन कम्युनिटी से 2 मेंबर्स को जो है प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो नॉमिनेट करते हैं. So students, this is all about our legislature and the 2 houses of the parliament, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha we have discussed. So student, watch the video carefully, and tomorrow in the Zoom session we will take your doubts about this chapter. So thank you students, have a nice day.